Maybe there's a setting in your WhatsApp. Once you have downloaded a similar file before, it's not allow you to download. Same with you. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can resend it. So someone is asking, can we manipulate the timing to see other changes? Yes, of course. You want your light to stay longer than 7 minutes, you can do it. But I'm not sure if it will work with what you have. Try it, yes. Because it's a get image that we brought in. Try it. Change the timing, maybe from 7,000 milliseconds to 8,000. And then you can still keep the 3,000. So making 8 plus 3, making 11. So see it and let us know if it works for you. So what I'm trying to see, if we are able to do the download of the second one, I will be forced to say it. I need someone to see how it looks first. They are not able to download the code you sent. The traffic light load file. Okay. The way we did yesterday, rename it. Yeah, it downloaded on my phone too, but not on. Rename it. Where you find it downloaded in that folder, rename it. Or just put .k behind it, or remove Runlinc entirely and put K. Rename it, remove Runlinc, put K. Maybe it's trying to tell us that originally where we used it, now you are taking it to another environment, it doesn't want to work. So just put .k instead of .runlink. All the JavaScript, yes. So the only difference you may see, I want someone to show me first. Once you see it, you'll be able to tell me. Because if you take us back to the code here, you know, the image you see here is as such, showing us those tiny, tiny bulbs. That means I want to let you realize that you can design it the way you want. Because in the real sense, this is not the kind of street lights we see. But it's telling you if these lamps are connected to our IDE, this is how it will be. And it's programmed for that timing. Remember, it's an animation. So for someone who uses the IDE that he has, the kit, and he puts in yellow lamp, yellow bulb, green bulb, red bulb, and he did all the timing with that code. So, but in the real sense, it won't be get image running yellow bulb. It will be the bulb itself, light on or red on or whatever minute. Because you already know which ports you have put it, maybe C6 or C3 or C7. Okay? But for animation processes, you can walk around the edges, you can walk around, make it look like a real street lamp standing on a pole, or you use bulb, depending on which image do you import. Then you can walk around the edges, the thickness of the edges, how bold, how dark, or how light, put all the aesthetics you wish to put. Someone has gotten it, so we can move on. Yes, this works. But the new file we sent to you should give you a different thing. Okay. Did you load the file? Load the file. You will realize that it's giving you something different. Alright, let me quickly narrate something as we are doing that. Someone who asked the other time that the power can it be connected otherwise differently than to your laptop. You can use that cable. We have this Center for Atmospheric Research, my university, Osun State University. So, and they work in hand in hand with NISTA, or what do you call it? Huh? Not NISTA. Is it NISTA? No, not NISTA. NISTA is for informatics, okay? Information technology. NISTRA, or NISTRA, how do you pronounce it? But atmospheric research team too. So they have used this, but in their own case, we are using Arduino, and they have some challenges. But what I'm trying to point out is the power pack. They want to measure air quality, and they cannot keep a laptop with they will not keep a laptop with a kit, have you? So they want to build their own box. That is an area of 3D printing. Because you can print your own box. Or you can do some cutting of some styrene boxes and other plastic. So you can say this is going to be this big or that big. Then what's the capacity of the power pack I'm going to use for this? So long it is charged. So the power pack is plugged. So they find suitable areas, and on that pole there is a plug power source where they plug the power pack for it to be charged continuously. And I think at some point they were even able to wire it with solar panels.